Good morning, students. Welcome to Sarosh Digital Learning. Lesson number 10, Armed Revolutionary Movement. In previous video, we studied till revolutionary movement in Bengal. Today we will start from India House. The revolutionary work in India received assistance from Indian revolutionaries staying abroad. India House in London was an important center which provided for such kind of assistance. Pandit Shyamji Krishna Verma, an Indian patriot, had established Indian House. Second, Ghadar movement. During the period of First World War, the revolutionary work against the British government got a monument. The revolutionaries felt that transfer of power can be brought into India with the help of enemies of the British, and in this attempt help of Indian soldiers can also be taken. To take advantage of this opportunity, revolutionary organizations were set up. Ghadar is one such important organization. The leader of Ghadar organization decided to take advantage of this war-like situation. They drew out a plan of revolt in Punjab against the British. They persuaded the Indian soldier in British army to join in their revolt. It was decided that Rash Bihari Bose and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle should lead the revolt. But due to treachery, the British traced out the plan. Pingle fell into the hands of the police. He was hanged to death. But Rash Bihari Bose escaped successfully. He went to Japan and continued his revolutionary work. Kakori conspiracy. The suppressive measures of government could not put an end to the revolutionary movement. After the suspension of civil disobedience movement by Mahatma Gandhi, many youngsters got diverted to revolutionary ways. Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Yogesh Chatterjee, Sachindranath Sanayal, and such other revolutionaries came together. On 9th August 1925, they looted the government treasury that was carried in a train near Kakori railway station in Uttar Pradesh. This is known as the Kakori conspiracy. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The young men influenced by socialist ideas decided to set up a nationwide revolutionary organization. Prominent among them were Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, etc. All these revolutionaries were secular in their thoughts. In 1928, in the meeting held at Firoz Shah Kotla ground in Delhi, these young men established the organization called Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Attack on Chittagong Armory. Surya Sen was the chief of the revolutionary group at Chittagong in Bengal. He had gathered around him revolutionaries like Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Preeti Lata Wadekar with their assistance. Surya Sen drew up a plan to attack the armory at Chittagong. As per the plan, on 18th April 1930, the revolutionaries seized the arms from the two armories in Chittagong. The telephone and telegraph lines were broken, and they succeeded in paralyzing the communication system. After that, they gave a thrilling fight to the British Army. On 16th February 1933, Surya Sen and some of his associates were captured by the police. Surya Sen and his 12 associates were given death punishment. Kalpana Datta was sentenced to life imprisonment. Preetilata Wadekar killed herself without falling into the hands of the police. Due to the uprising in Chittagong, the revolutionary movement gained pace. Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, these two schoolgirls, killed the district judge, whereas a young girl, Bina Das, shot dead the governor during the convocation ceremony of Kolkata University. Sardar Udham Singh killed Dyer, the officer responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre in London in 1940. In the freedom struggle of Indian revolutionary movement made an important contribution. These revolutionaries displayed daring and determination while fighting against the British rule. The love for the nation and attitude of sacrifice was just incomparable. Their sacrifice proved to be an inspiration to the Indians. Here we completed this chapter.